One, two, three, go.
Hello, all my students and those who are aspiring to take admission in architecture. I would like to tell you what is the difference between our architecture college, that is Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Architecture for Women, and the other colleges. There are more than 500 colleges across India. But we, right from the beginning, decided that our college should not remain at local level but should reach at global level. And when you call a college global, especially when you have a connect with rest of the world, so that you understand that where you stand in comparison with the rest of the world. So we have more than 50 international collaborations for our students under four different categories. The first category is student exchange, the second category is faculty exchange, joint studios and joint courses. We are also part of United Nations academic impact activities because we have completed more than 12 projects in 12 different countries for United Nations, and there are 10 other projects which are waiting for our students for the future. So because of these projects, United Nations gave us a partnership status under UN AI program. One more point would like to tell you is that there is one group, Oxford Union in Oxford, and they are working on universities of future, and they selected a very few institutes who are technologically advanced, and we were invited there, and we have also become part of Oxford Union Group for Universities of Future project. Apart from that, we also have India's one of the biggest research centers in architecture and planning and all other related topics, where around 33 candidates were pursuing their PhD, out of which 18 have already been awarded PhDs from our college under the auspices of University of Pune. And because of all this, we got many awards as well. Just recently, 3 days before, we got an award, that is the best college of Maharashtra in Bangalore. We also got an award from Singapore, that Asia's best innovative college of architecture. So many other awards we keep getting. And one of the major reasons why we got this award is that we are pioneers in Asian subcontinents for digital architecture technology. So we have started teaching digital architecture technology since 2011, and we boast with two wonderful labs. One lab we call as Fab Lab, which we became the first to incorporate 3D printing, CNC machines, laser cutting machine, and we became the first in Asian subcontinent to incorporate robotics in architecture for the first time. So apart from that, we have a very high technology Capel lab in our campus, and so many other points are there. But these were one of the important features here. We have excellent infrastructure, we have excellent highly qualified double postgraduate as well as PhD faculty in our college. So our college is always rated as top rated college, and all girl students, they always wish to take admission in our college. I welcome all the future aspirants on this particular platform, and I will be looking forward to seeing you soon. My college, Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Architecture for Women, was established in 1994, and I became the luckiest founder principal of this college, and we recently completed our 27 years and we entered into 28th year of our college. Our college is under the umbrella of Maharshi Dondo Keshav Karve, founded Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha. Maharshi Karve Sanstha was founded way back in 1896 for emancipation of women, and Maharshi Dondo Keshav Karve founded this institute by adopting 5 girls to start with, and later on today we have more than 1,000 small school children girls in our premise, and our Samstha supports these girls by all means, by scholarships and other facilities as well. Since 1994 till date, we started with only 30 intake initially, because the authorities were doubtful whether we will be able to sustain or not. But soon we proved ourselves and became India's one of the best colleges, and we started BArch in 1994 with 30 intake. That intake was increased today to 160, which is one of the highest intakes of India. Then three international master's courses: Masters in Digital Architecture, Masters in Landscape Architecture, Masters in Environmental Architecture, and of course we have India's biggest PhD research center as well in Architecture and Planning. Thank you.